Hello everyone, this is RC Anatomy, and today I got some more upgrades for the good old comp crawler. So there are a few problems with this thing that I wanted to fix. First one was the drive shafts, if I can get this thing open. So the drive shafts on this thing, if you look at it, the front one is a custom length one. It's wrapped in masking tape and then super glued together. It's not made very well. And then the rear one is just stock length C10 plastic link. So what I'm gonna do, my limiting strap broke. That'd be good to fix as well, but that's what I'm not here for that right now. But second thing I got, transmission. And you may be saying to yourself, didn't you just get a FuryTech transmission for this? And well, yes, but it was only the mounting plate because that's all you need to mount the motor in, and I didn't want to spend extra money that I didn't have to. But the stock transmission is stripped out. The screws are stripped out, so, and it's still plastic geared, so I got this nice fully metal transmission from Injora. These are both from Injora. These are stainless steel drive shafts, and this is in a black aluminum transmission. So I'm gonna pop open the truck, take it apart, and go from there. Okay, so first step is I want to attach the drive shafts to the new transmission, and then I want to take the FuryTech part of this transmission off and put it on here. Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but, well, you can definitely see the drive shafts. I have the drive shafts all installed. They all work. And then the nice aluminum transmission in there. So I'm gonna fix the limiting strap and then go hit some rocks. Okay, so here we are, we're at the rock pile. Much smaller than it used to be, but we're gonna go up the first obstacle, the chute. Fairly basic obstacle, just a lot of loose rocks and things to get stuck on. I'm driving with one hand right now, so I'm probably not gonna use rear steer too much. Sorry, there's quite a bit of wind right now. So the audio might not be as great. But yeah, it does the chute no problem. And it's gonna have super, you're not gonna have to worry about blowing the transmission or the drive shafts now, because they're all metal, steel. I am going to be hopefully getting a new transmitter receiver combo soon, so I can control the rear steer better. It's going to be on the knob, but no problem going up the chute. Now we're going to see how it does on loose dirt on a descent. So we've got a loose dirt descent here down to some rocks. We're going to see how it does. As you can see, we got our good old Swamp Kings. I've been thinking about getting new tires for this, to try some different types, maybe some more grippy ones. But yep, dirt, no problem. Swamp Kings are really good at dirt because they have such a big tread pattern. FuryTech brushless system working awesome. Nice control. We're gonna try to go up right through here. There's this little divot right here. We're gonna try to go right up over here. Kind of a weird angle. We're gonna adjust the rear. We're gonna drive right up over there. Readjust here. Let's try it from a slightly different. Can it make it up the dirt? This is loose dirt. Those isokinetic axles are really shining here. Look at that crazy steering angle. Can it make it up the slippery dirt incline? Oh. Using some of the rubble. Maybe get some grip. Maybe get some grip. Maybe get a little bit of grip. A little bit of extra grip maybe. Oh. I think we might be about to tip here. Let's use our rear steer. Readjust our rear axle. Let's put our front axle here. And we'll try to go up here. Nope. That's not gonna work. Oh, rear steer coming in clutch here. Can we do that again? Let's move the rear around. Yes, we got up over that ledge. Took a while, but we finally made it up. I wouldn't quite say no problem, but it wasn't super difficult. Now we're going to try to go down. We're going to try to go down the chute here. Oh, look at that flex. Lots of flex going on over here. You can see the little Komodo Unity spinning away inside. No problem down the chute. We are all good, no problem. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'm gonna there's gonna be hopefully a new video coming here pretty soon about the new transmitter receiver that I'm gonna hopefully be getting, and hopefully that works right. But thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next video.